All right, so to pick up where we left off from yesterday, we started factoring quadratic trinomials where c is negative. All right, so the constant's negative here. So that means one of your factors is positive, one of them is negative. All right. So I picked out two trinomials that we got a factor here. They look pretty similar, except here I have plus 3x, here I have minus 3x. Okay, and that plays a big difference. So what we're looking for here are factors of negative 28, and we need a difference of 3. So that means subtraction. So your factors of 28 are 1 times 28, 2 times 14, and 4 times 7. And you have to pick the ones with a difference of 3, so that's 4 and 7. So for both these, we're going to factor in x and 4, and then x and 7. I didn't put the signs in yet, I know that. That's when I go over, what I'm going to do here. So again, x and 7. So again, your main focus on every single one of these problems is, first up, look at that third term, start listing your factors. 28, 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 4 times 7. So that's what I have to work with. It's like going in the kitchen, you want to make yourself lunch or dinner. You first got to go see what ingredients you have, what foods, in the refrigerator or cabinets, whatever. That's kind of like what these problems are. You want to first, figure out your factors of that constant, so that you know what you have to work with here. We're trying to make a 3, so 4 and 7. Here I want to make positive 3x. So that means my bigger factor, in this case 7, has to be positive. Over here I want to make negative 3, so that means my bigger factor needs to be negative, and my 4 will be positive. All right, so again, this is your answer for both cases. Today you have a Schoology checkpoint, just multiple choice. That's all you're going to have to do. But again, when I multiply this out, x times x is x squared, x times positive 7 is 7x, negative 4 times x is minus 4x, negative 4 times positive 7 is negative 28. When you combine your like terms then, positive 7 minus 4 is positive 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Over here, I have, so I'm going to get x squared. I'll get minus 7x in this case, plus 4x. And then positive 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. Right here then, negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3x. So that's the difference with these two, okay? So it does matter which one you make positive and which one you make negative in both cases, depending on what you're trying to get here. All right, so let's just do one here. So one that always gets a little bit tricky here is when you're looking for factors of 9. Difference of 8. Don't forget about your factors of 9. You have 1 and 9. You also have 2 and 4. Or, sorry, 9, 3 times 3. Sorry about that. So 1 and 9 have a difference of 8. And again, we're trying to make positive 8, so we're going to have to go x plus 9 and x minus 1. There's your solution. If you go to check this, x times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative 1x. Positive 9 times x is plus 9x. Positive 9 times negative 1 is minus 9. Gives you your plus 8x right there. Okay. So, moving on then. Let's do two more where we gotta, where I give you the two cases here. So, let's go with okay, so again, two very similar looking trinomials here. Again, we're going to be looking for factors of 30 and a difference of 1. So 30 of 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6. So since we're trying to get a difference of 1 here, 5 minus 6, would be negative 1, 6 minus 5, it would be positive 1. So we're going to use those two as our factors. All right. So again, I know I'm going to use 5 and 6 because I'm trying to get a 1 in the middle there. So I'll go x and 5, x and 6. So my first one, I'm trying to get a positive 1. So that means I need to make my bigger factor positive, my smaller factor negative. Again, that's my solution. If you multiply this out, you get x squared plus 6x minus 5x minus 30. And right there is your plus 1x. Same thing, 1x or just x, all same. Over here, again, x and 5, and then x and 6. I need to get a negative 1, so I go minus 6 plus 5. So you get x squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 30. Be negative 1x. Okay. So last, let's do one more here. Like I said, you got a checkpoint for today on Schoology. So let's go with x squared plus 4x minus 32 versus x squared. So again, factors of 32, difference of 4. So factors of 32, 1 times 32, 2 times 16, and 4 times 8. And that's it. So we have to go with 4 and 8. We're trying to get a 4 here. 4 and 8 have a difference of 4. This one, we're trying to make plus 4x. So this is going to be x plus 8 times x minus 4. Again, there's my solution. Gotta get x squared minus 4x plus 8x minus 32. Again, it's positive 8 times negative 4 to give me that negative 32. So x squared plus 4x, negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4, minus 32. Over here, I get x squared. Sorry, we didn't factor yet. It's going to be x minus 8 times x plus 4. Again, that's my answer. Because again, you get x squared plus 4x minus 8x minus 32. Right there be my minus 4x. Okay. So again, you got a checkpoint for today. These are some good problems to compare to show why the negative and positive really matters.